Brief overview on the Russian Revolution. On 25th February, strikes continued to expand and clashes between protesters and the police were very common in the streets of Russia. 1st March, a provisional government was formed. 12th March, Tsar Nicholas II abdicated from the throne. This created a total chaos and disorder all round the country. The new provisional government appealed for peace to the people of Russia, but in vain. On 3rd April, Lenin arrives in Russia. With his arrivals, things started changing fast. On 7th of April, Lenin explained his April thesis. His eyes were set on the transformation of Republic Russia into social one by the proletarian uprisings. His aim was at inauguration of the socialist workers' class state in Russia under the slogan "All powers to the Soviets." On 18th March, the Prime Minister of the provisional government declared that Russia would continue the First World War till its completion. This declaration led the collapse of the first provisional government. On 24th of April, a new administration was formed under the Prime Minister of Kerensky, with many political parties including the socialist one. On 5th May, Kerensky government lost its popularity from the proletarian class. For the first time, Russian Duma was full of many socialist members. In the month of September, Bolshevik party for the first time obtained majority. Lenin advised the Russians to prepare for the socialist revolution. His slogan was "All powers to the Soviets." On 6 November, the Soviets of the Petrograd and Moscow instructed the arms worker to siege and occupy the capital. On 7th November, the committee declared the provisional government overthrown. The Winter Palace was occupied, and on the same night, all Russian socialists of Soviets opened their session. They appointed a council of people's commissioners as the new organ of the Russian government, where Lenin was the president and Trotsky was the head of the foreign affairs. Thus, the socialist revolution accomplished. The topic is over. Thank you.